car key won't unlock your vehicle? Let's fix that. All right, this is going to be a 3-step process. First process is cleaning the inside of your lock with a degreaser. We're going to use brake cleaner. Second, we're going to put on a lubricant of dry lube. And third, we're going to put on a layer of white grease to give it some long-lasting lubrication. So let's get into it. Okay, take your brake cleaner and give it a liberal spray. Okay, and now take your key and just start working the liquid in and out. Give it a little twist. Okay, and we can wipe that off the paint. Okay, now we're going to wait about a minute or so, let the brake cleaner dry. Then we'll do this about 2 or 3 times. Oh yeah, already starting to loosen up. See the full range of motion. Yeah, already can unlock my car. One more time. Okay, now we're going to move on to the dry lube. Repeat that same process, squirt it in. And work it in with your key. Okay, now we'll let that dry for about 5 minutes and reapply a second coat. Okay. Oh, that is so much easier already. Okay, last but not least, we're going to put some white grease on there and give it its final coating. So we're going to do 2 coats of this guy. Same thing like we did before. And we're in. You really want to use the white lithium grease. If you use that carbide grease, it just gets gunked up in here and eventually you won't be able to put your key in. So don't use that carbide stuff. Let that dry for 5 minutes and come back and give it the last layer. And last layer. It is so much easier than what we started with. And we're done. All right, that's going to wrap up this maintenance tip. Hope it helps your locks get lubricated. Products are going to be in the link below. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.